Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speaker on DOOGEE X97 Pro. And to do this, first thing is to find all of the speakers on this device, and first one is at the bottom right here. Next is on the top right there, and that's a phone call speaker, and that's basically all of the speakers on this device. Now, to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. Then, if the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming on only from a bottom speaker, and that would mean this phone doesn't have stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.